This is a great opportunity to own a great Cessna Skyhawk at a great price. And this Lycoming sips fuel at an economical 6 to 8 gallons an hour. This California-based Cessna Skyhawk has always been hangared and protected. It has window covers and cowl plugs, an exterior rudder lock device for anybody who has to tie it down outdoors. It's always received the best of care and maintenance. And note the red, white, and black original Cessna paint scheme. It's a 172L series with an 0320 E2D Lycoming engine with compression on all cylinders in the high 70s. Total time on the airframe is 2596, actually 2595 point something or other. And the engine only has 665 hours since its complete overhaul. Detailed information is recorded in its complete original logs and maintenance records, available to the new owner, of course. I bought the airplane in 2002 and it's never presented any problems. It's always been a great little bird and just ran like $1,000,000 all the time. It has, of course, running lights, a beacon light, a belly strobe, and a landing light, all fully functional. Note the aileron flap gap seals and super tips for better rate of climb. Pretty nice looking too on that. It's a pretty bird. It has twin 20-gallon wing fuel tanks, 40-gallon capacity. Among other things, it has a rebuilt alternator, new tires, new brakes, brake discs, wheel discs were replaced. A new battery went in about a week or two ago, here in February of 2011. Has new breather hoses and a lot of extra parts go with it. All of this for only $35,000. I paid a lot more than that for it. The aircraft is located at my Rosamond Sky Park home in Rosamond, California. Rosamond is about 100 miles north of Los Angeles. If you're interested, you can find it on your map, the L00 designation on your sectional. Ask for Pete Anthony, that's me. At 661-256-8372. That's my phone or fax, either on the same number, 661-256-8372. Or you can email me at mstarent@sbcglobal.net. That's mstarent@sbcglobal.net. Let you take a look at the interior here. It's a nice looking interior. It's, as you can see, it's brown and orange leather, brown and some red in there in the fabric. It's leather and fabric, excellent condition with a 4-place Sigtronics intercom for pilot and passengers. And the IFR panel consists of Michael MX300 digital navcom, glide slope, a King KX145 navcom, an Arco AT50 Mode C transponder, King KR86 ADF marker beacon, and KS Avionics EGT, engine gas temperature unit, it's designated as an EGT CHT. And it has cabin heat for those cold winter days. And of course it has carb heat. It's been a great little bird, and there's lots of good flying hours left in it. Lots of good economical flying hours left in it. With the price of gasoline today, that's certainly one big consideration. Anyway, I hope to hear from you. Give us a call, or if you're interested in taking a look at it, you can fly out to Rosamond. It's a 3,600-foot runway, runway lights, and you can find all the information you need.